Today we are making chicken, zucchini, and corn with a hot honey lime vinaigrette. I'm going to go ahead and turn the Blackstone on medium while we prep our ingredients. I already diced 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this zucchini into half circles. I like them a little on the thick side so that they don't overcook. And I feel like this one was a little small. I really wish I would have gotten 2 of them, but we're going to make it work. And then I have some garden fresh corn on the cob. Just going to carefully cut the kernels off the cob and into a bowl. I feel like the end of summer is the absolute best time to cook with fresh corn on the cob. It just makes me happy. This is definitely a bigger bowl than what I'm going to need for the corn, but it just kind of helps keep the corn kernels contained as I cut them. All right, now that was the perfect amount of time for the Blackstone to preheat. Just gonna go down with some oil. This recipe is kind of nice because it almost cooks all at once. Corn. And the zucchini. Again, I kind of wish I had more. Season with kosher salt, pepper, and Blackstone all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna mix it all together, cook for about 5 minutes to start. While that's doing its thing on the Blackstone, I'm gonna mince some garlic. We're gonna add that later just because garlic has a different cook time and we don't want it to burn. I feel like I'm one of those people, I always add extra garlic. Like if the recipe calls for 3 cloves, I'm easily adding like 6 or 7. Love garlic. Grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes, if you have those growing in your garden, that would be a great addition to this. I'm kind of wishing I would have thought about that now. It has been about 5 minutes, so we're gonna add the garlic. That's gonna smell extra good. And then really just about another 4 minutes and it's time to eat. This is looking amazing. We're gonna go ahead and add this hot honey lime vinaigrette that I made earlier. Well, I don't have a spoon, so we're gonna use a fork. You can get the full recipe for this hot honey lime vinaigrette at ifyougivagirlagrill.com. This is what's gonna add so much flavor to this dish. And then really just turn this off and give it a mix and it's done. I lied, I actually need to give it a taste for seasoning. I'm gonna go with a little more of the Blackstone all-purpose seasoning, just a little. We're going to serve it in a bowl. And this is probably going to be more than 1 serving, but that's all right. Fresh basil. Still hot. It's hot. The hot honey with the lime, with the salty feta, with the crisp to the vegetables, you have got to make this.